Hello YouTubers, my name is Tony C. I'm here to give you a quick review today on the Little Green Monster electric bucket loader. I just got it in 2 days ago from CT Solutions. Carlos down in Lakeland, Florida, great guy. He stopped by his shop. He runs a first-class deal there. He's very helpful working with you, any questions or problems you might have on it. I received it 2 days ago. Took me about 3 hours to unbox it, uncrate it, and get it set up for first-time use. From this point on, it'll be very easy. I have a couple pins here and here. Laura, come on over here and look at these pins here. Cotter pins pop out, and the cotter pins are right here. The whole front end off your uprights will come right off. So it's very easy to take on and off. Since it's electric, you can still run your deck with it. I don't have my deck on right now because I'm still in winter mode. I had it off for my hydraulic snow blower, but I will end up putting that on in the next week or two. A little bit about the Little Green Monster. As you can see, it lifts 44 inches high. It's got a 42-inch bucket. It'll carry up to probably 500 pounds on the 500 series. The electric actuators are very powerful. They're glide force. Laura, come on over here and take a look at the actuators here. The actuators are glide force actuators, very, very good, very powerful. The key thing when you're going to use any kind of front loader, even a mild one like this, is to have some weight on the tractor to counterbalance this. All right, as you can see, I'm set up in the winter mode. I got my 50-pound wheel weights, and I have 4 42-pound John Deere suitcase weights. So that gives me 268 pounds or so of ballast, plus my 220. I got 500 pounds of ballast on here, so I should be okay picking anything up. Over the next week or two, I'll be making several videos. I have 18 to 20 yards of topsoil coming to fill this hole in right here. Laura, show that hole. I had a 60-foot maple tree come down last fall that I have to fill in. So I'm going to put some topsoil there. I have some mulch to put around the property. So I'll give this Little Green Monster a really good workout. But I just want to show you what a great tool this is for somebody that has an X300, X500 series. It really is a powerful add-on to your machine and makes it full service. It really puts some added capabilities in there for people that have occasional front-end loader use. Okay, YouTubers, keep an eye on this channel. You'll see some more videos coming up over the next couple weeks showing this bad boy in operation.